All right, hey everyone, welcome back. I just want to say congratulations to everyone out there who is holding Tesla and is making a ridiculous amount of money today. I mean, look at this, up 13.5%, closed at 11.9978, and right now after hours is at 12.07. I still think this is going to run. Obviously, this is just a crazy beat. I mean, if we go back and look at the numbers one more time, a year over year delivery beat or increase of 87%. This to me is going to continue running, hit this 1236 previous high, as you can see from this trend-based fib extension I have pulled out here. And I honestly think it's going to test this other high marker I have set here. So you can see that now it's not an exact price. So in my opinion, it's either going to be like 1305, between 1305 and 1320. And let me just draw that out for you so you can see it. It's going to test around like that area because as the days move, it goes up. And you can see I kind of have that line pulled out from the previous high that correlates to this previous high. And I'll just talk about this again. This previous high with Tesla acted as major support for that recent downward pressure we had. And it obviously bounced nicely off that. And now look at us. We are just ripping higher here. And the aftermarket looks like it's going to continue the upward pressure until we test that 1300 range. Now, this is where I'm at a bit of a dilemma here, okay? As you all know, I'm a major Tesla bull. I hold a lot of shares, and I've seen this play out over the course of holding the stock so many times where I go, should I unload 25% of my shares when it hits that next top, right? It's either going to be here or possibly here, and I've fallen victim to not unloading a little bit of those shares and then buying back in when it will inevitably drop back down. So in my mind, I'm thinking, when is the right time to unload 25% of these shares? Not because I don't ever want to get back in or I don't believe in Tesla and its ability to be just an absolute growth maniac, but just because I know if you study this chart, no matter what, it always goes up, hits an all-time high, and pulls. So it's like, do I want to get caught not taking in some of those profits and then being able to buy back in when it does inevitably pull? So in my mind, I'm thinking it gets to 1305, 1320-ish range. Retests kind of like this. You can see it's an upward trajectory of like what I think its next high will be. Do I sell it there or do I hold until, I don't know, it hits the 1450-ish range, which with this momentum, the month of January looks like it's going to be bright green. I don't know. I'm just, it could hit this and then come back down. You never know. You guys comment below where you think it's going to run to on this. And do you think we're going to start seeing analysts come out fixing their numbers like they probably should? Anyways, guys, congrats again, and thanks for tuning in.